A trip to the beach. Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a girl named Lily. She loved the beach. One sunny morning, Lily decided to travel to the beach with her family. They packed a big bag with food, drinks, and beach toys. Lily, her mother, and her father got into their car. The journey was exciting. They sang songs and played games. After an hour, they arrived at the beach. The sound of the waves was wonderful, and the sun was shining brightly. Lily ran to the water and felt the cool waves on her feet. She laughed with joy. Her parents set up a big umbrella and laid out a colorful blanket. They had sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade for lunch. After eating, Lily built a giant sandcastle. She made tall towers and a big moat around it. Later, Lily found some seashells on the shore. She collected many beautiful shells and put them in her bag. Then she and her father played beach volleyball. They had so much fun. As the sun began to set, the sky turned orange and pink. It was a beautiful sight. Lily felt happy and tired. They packed their things and went back to the car. On the way home, Lily smiled. She loved her day at the beach. She couldn't wait to tell her friends about her adventure. Traveling to the beach was the best day ever.